That's a crazy story. So you're going to be making around 3, 4K from this Black Friday alone. On top of that, like, do you have any advice or tips or anything that any mistakes you've done, something that you'll do different next year, or any new ideas? What's going on, guys? So today we have a different type of video for you guys. It's another Black Friday slash Cyber Monday slash Boxing Day, which is coming up soon video. So you guys see my last video where I went Black Friday shopping and I purchased a bunch of PS4s, and I also made a video the year before that. And fortunately, that video actually got some pretty decent amount of views, and some people actually started catching on to that and doing my strategy. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring someone new, a new face that you guys never seen before. His name is Napoleon, and he's going to be talking about some strategies that I've personally never done, but I think they are great and kind of genius strategies. So I'm going to be featuring him in this video. It's his first time doing a collab with me, but before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. I'm going to leave links in the description below. You guys can subscribe to his YouTube channel, subscribe to his Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, investing.hustler, and leave me some comments in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks when it comes to Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Boxing Day shopping. But anyways, let's get this video started. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I have a special guest, and his name is Daniel. So on my previous videos, I was doing a lot of Black Friday videos. I did a Black Friday video last year, and pretty much Daniel has been messaging me through Instagram and telling me how his Black Friday experience is. And I actually learned a couple things from Daniel from Black Friday. Last year, you started buying gift cards. Why were you buying gift cards? And how long before Black Friday did you start buying gift cards?
All right, so yeah, I saw Investing Hustler's video about Black Friday last year,
Yeah.
but I wasn't able to do the Black Friday of that year because it was too late. So I made sure for this year, I prepared. And 2 months before Black Friday, I started going on Kijiji, searching for gift cards. And, I started lowballing them. Some
Mm.
gift cards I got for 60% off, like
Yep.
I'll buy $100 Walmart gift card and I'll pay 60. But here's what happened though. Like along the way, I started finding a person that sells gift card on a consistent basis.
Okay.
And every week, there's some weeks where I'll get like $400 gift cards from him, and I'll pay like 300, 320. That happened on a consistent
Mhm.
basis until I had to start
Have
with
all
gift
those gift
cards.
cards. So how much total in gift cards did you purchase?
It was well over 4K, like
Over
4.3.
four. So you spent 4,000, or that's how much money in total you've got?
So I got a total of 4,300 in gift cards,
And you
and I only
spent,
paid 3,000 for it.
okay, so you saved like $1,300,
Yeah,
and you were just gonna hold these gift cards pretty much until Black Friday, where you
yeah,
would save even more money because of the deals, which
basically.
is
So
which is smart.
basically, like say like I couldn't make a sell, right?
Yeah.
I can even sell it less than what the retail store sells. Say like the PS4,
Hmm.
it sells for like 262 including tax.
Yeah.
I can even sell it for like 240 and also make 10% return of my investment.
Yeah. Which is smart.
But
And right here we have all your gift cards. So you have gift cards from Walmart, from Best Buy. Where else did you get gift cards from? I think I
I
see
also had I also had some gift cards from Rona, which is in Canada,
Rona.
and I used that to buy some Google Homes. But
Oh,
for
okay.
the most part, with my gift card, I use it to buy like PS4 games, and some Xbox, basically.
That's pretty smart. But like a lot of people would be concerned. How do you know that these gift cards have money in them? How did you protect yourself from being
Oh,
like scammed or
bro, you gotta
frauded?
be careful when it
Yeah.
comes to those. So I made sure before I buy the gift cards,
Hmm.
I go with them to Walmart to the customer service, and I verify the cards, and I keep the receipt with them.
Okay. Has anyone tried to scam you? Did you get a
Yeah,
gift card where people try to sell you empty gift cards? What happened?
yeah. Like I will tell them that let's go to Walmart to verify, and they wouldn't do it.
Okay.
So I had to go, and sometimes I'll be at Walmart. I'll meet them at Walmart. Once we go to a customer service, some of the gift cards are scratched.
Oh,
So those I don't purchase.
yeah. So okay, so then that's good. So you got over $4,300 in gift cards. So now let's talk about Black Friday on the actual Friday. What did you purchase on Black Friday?
Mostly I purchase PS4 consoles,
Yeah.
but I haven't made a sale yet because at Walmart there's Cyber Monday and they're extending it all week. So people are sending me screenshots that they're getting it
Of
for
the
like
sales, yeah.
429 the
Yeah, no,
PS4 bundle.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Mm.
But I noticed here the prices are back up. PS4s in Toronto are now
Yeah.
selling for 379.99. I don't know about what city are you from again?
Yeah. So like yesterday it was at 249, but now it's starting to come back and people are starting to message me about the
Yeah.
PS4.
And how much are
Actually,
you?
someone,
Sorry, go on.
sorry. Yeah, someone's about to pick up the PS4 actually, just
Oh,
because
and
just
and how,
because
how
the
much are you
prices are back
selling them
up.
for?
Right now, someone's purchasing it for 340.
Okay, and you paid 249 on Cyber Monday, and then plus the gift card discount, so you
Yeah,
probably paid less than 200 and
210. Yeah.
210. And if you're selling it for 340, that's $130 profit just from one PS4. And I'm
Hmm.
guessing you from this picture, I see you picked up four PS4s.
Yeah, and one Xbox.
Okay, and also, so you purchased a lot of video games too, not just systems. As you can see from this picture, we have a bunch of, how many total video games did you purchase?
All right, so from the store, I purchased like 40, and online, I purchased like 32 because I will have more of a return policy extended once
Yeah.
the delivery arrives.
Oh, okay, okay. So you purchased online on Cyber Monday or on Black Friday?
On Black Friday too. But like some I purchased from store and
Wow.
others
I
like
noticed you bought a
online.
lot of NHL, NBA, FIFA games. How much did you pay
Mhm.
for those?
So in total, from online and in store, I paid over 2,000, and some of my orders from online still hasn't arrived yet.
Okay, so right here, this picture, it's not all your games that you have for
Yeah,
sale right
no,
now. Yeah, so yeah,
online.
pretty much you just have to wait for the sales to end, and then
Yeah.
I feel like right before Christmas, those are my most busiest weeks. Like 1 week,
Mhm.
2 weeks before Christmas, I feel like that's when the sales start to pick up the most, mostly because there's no longer deals, and then people want to buy
Was
gifts, especially because they're brand new sealed. And then you also purchased some Google Homes, and how much did you buy these for?
so those during Black Friday they were selling like 69.99 plus tax. But since I did the gift card strategy, I
Yeah.
probably only paid for them for like 50, 50 bucks, 55, something
So
like that.
50 bucks and you're gonna sell them for how much?
I'm planning like 100 to 110,
Yeah, so you're doubling your money. And for these video
basically.
games, how much did you pay?
So for those, it was 39 plus tax, which is around 42.
Yeah.
But since I used my gift cards to purchase them, my average was only 33,
So
and I can
$33 per
easily sell
game.
them for 60.
Yeah, because these games retail in Canada. Remember, we're from Canada, so in Canada they retail 79.99, and then plus tax they go up to $90. Last year I was selling games for 60, 70, sometimes even $80 for the really good ones. So yeah, and then you can easily be selling them from like 50 to 70 and still be profiting, almost doubling your money. That's pretty much exactly what I did last year. I bought a bunch of video games. I bought some Google Homes and some game consoles. My most successful thing was the game consoles, and the video games was a little slow, but they did end up selling. And for you, from your experience, you actually found a new product that you've already been having some success in. Can you tell
Yes.
us about that product?
So this product, I didn't see them from Walmart or Best Buy or anything like that. I actually got them from a Chinese store that's starting close,
Yeah,
and they were selling everything for 70 to 80%.
yeah,
So those Minecraft Legos, I got them for $10,
yeah.
and I was selling them for 25 to 30.
So yeah, as you can see right here, I see this is you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, and you have people just messaging you for Lego, Lego, Lego. Like Lego seems to be a pretty hot item, I guess, right?
Yes.
Have you sold these Legos already?
Yeah, I actually did. I started selling them 2 days ago, and
Uh-huh.
I already made 140 in profit.
And you're paying how much for these Legos? $10?
Some of them are even $8, but for the most part, it's $10.
And you're selling them for how much?
25 to 30.
So you're more than doubling your profit at this point,
Mhm.
and you even told me that you think it's more successful than because your profit margin is a lot bigger versus the PlayStation 4. So that's actually something really new to me. And I'm actually going to experiment with Lego as well because Lego is has always been popular. I played with it when I was a kid, and I'm probably going to try to sell some Lego for Boxing Day because that's a great idea. And you're more than doubling, almost tripling your money sometimes. So you have Lego, you've flipping Google Homes, video game consoles, video games. What else? Is there anything that we haven't talked about yet?
That's pretty much what I'm flipping, but I also bought some portable chargers,
Okay.
and I got them for $8, but they usually retail for like 45, 50,
And you expect to sell those for how much? Like $20 or more?
$20. That's my margin, I'm thinking.
Yeah, so you're doubling. So pretty much, and have you used your gift cards as well on that?
Yeah, I got them from Canadian Tire,
Uh-huh.
and from there they were selling for like $8. So I,
That's good. So pretty much with your strategy, not only are you purchasing on Black Friday, you're using gift cards that you bought in advance, so it gives you even bigger discounts. So your profit margin is a lot more. In total, you spent a total of, you said, $3,000 this Black Friday or on gift cards,
yeah,
and you bought over 4,000. Oh no, and then you got over $4,300 worth of stuff in gift cards, and then you probably purchased like how much, six to seven, $8,000 worth of stuff with $3,000. How much do you think?
yeah.
So,
For my
um,
calculation,
yeah,
I'm planning to make 7K minimum.
7K. So that means you spent 3K, and then you're gonna more than double your money if you get 7K. That's like
Yes,
almost 120. I don't know. I'll have to do the math, but it's over 100% profit.
yes, because for the PS4 video games, I'm making over 120 return of investment if I sell for like 65, and I only paid like $33
Hmm.
initially when I
Yeah.
used the gift card.
And do you feel nervous holding on to all these products? I don't know if $3,000 is a lot of money for you, but do you feel nervous thinking like, oh, I spent all this money, or are you confident that you're gonna get your money back?
No, because like say I had to return some stuff,
Yeah,
I'll get my gift cards back and I can use it for Boxing Day
exactly.
or
It's like
next year's
almost,
Black Friday.
it's like almost 100% no risk because if you don't sell something, worst case scenario, you just return it and get your money back, and then best case scenario, you double your money. And
Exactly.
even me, sometimes I'll hold on to these systems beyond my return policy because I'll be confident once the Black Friday hype dies, the Boxing Day hype dies, and everything goes back to regular prices. People are no longer bringing up the fact that it was on discount not too long ago, and it becomes easier to sell. But either way, that's a crazy story. So you're going to be making around 3 4K from this Black Friday alone. On top of that, like, do you have any advice or tips or anything that any mistakes you've done, something that you'll do different next year, or any new ideas?
Yeah. So like if you're planning to do the gift card strategy, make sure you go to customer service. So if it's a Walmart gift card, go to Walmart store and go to customer service and make
Hmm.
sure you keep the receipt. Also, like, and during Black Friday, make sure you keep the receipt too, because if it doesn't sell, especially the PS4 video games, those items will drop prices real quick.
Yeah, that's what I noticed
So you
too.
gotta
Video
sell
game,
them quick.
yeah, especially the sport games, prices drop very fast. That's why I'm very the sport games are very risky because they come with a new one every year.
That's true.
So, but yeah, always keep your receipts if you do decide to return them. I actually didn't purchase no video games this year because it's like selling them one by one. I just didn't want to deal with it. I'd rather just sell a system, make at least $100 from it, and then boom, one and done. Well, that's perfect, man. I hope you have a successful Black Friday, and I'm sure I learned a lot from you. I'm sure a lot of my viewers are going to learn a lot from you.
Yeah, you can follow me at Napoleon/Daniel 17 on Instagram,
I'll type it
which will
here in
be
the
in the
screen. Yeah, and
which
in
will
the
be on the
description.
screen. And for YouTube, it will be on the screen too.
Also, guys, if you enjoy these Black Friday videos, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, and also give us a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys think about his strategy with the gift cards. That's something I've never done, and I actually think it's a great idea. Or let me know if you guys have any other strategies or tricks that you guys do when you're shopping on Black Friday. Anyways, thanks for joining me, Daniel. Hopefully, I'll be posting this video soon. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow Daniel or subscribe to Daniel on Instagram or YouTube. Thanks for joining me, guys. That's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.